Rere namba ya atumia na airitu anini aria mohete nda irathie kiongererekaga mathina ma kimeciria makoretwo makiyumiria hari makiria ya gicunje kia 8 hari 100 kia atumia na airitu aya. Maya mareyumiririe hindi ya kambi ya motungata ma urigitani iria rahaririirio ni thibitari wa Donyo Healthcare mwena wa Naivasha niguo gukinyiria motungata atumia kuma meciiria itehotete.
You'll get about 8% of the mothers they're depressed. They feel it was a wrong decision. They wonder why they are going through all this. But then we have our nurses who are well trained and our gynecologists who actually work with them.
2 out of 10 we've received like 2 mothers who have suffered mental health issues in puerperium, that is breastfeeding and postpartum. And what we have done is to assign them to support groups headed by our psychologist, our resident psychologist, and also the counselor.
Kuringana na Roslyn Adhiambo, omwe wa aruti wira thibitari-ini uyu, atumia aingi aritu matikoretwo makiamukira uteithio uria wagiriire riria mohanda.
It's the society to carry them up. So when facilities like this come to take care of the mothers, I think we need everyone, their husbands and any stakeholder around.
Namba nene ya atumia na airitu aya aria mohete nda makoretwo makigerera mbara cia kimicii na mathina mangi maria macungiriirio ni urito wa kimuturire na uguo makaga uhoti wa kwimenyerera ona kana kugitira ciana iria itari raciarwo.
Matters of abusive marriages, not just having enough money to go to the clinic, I think, and even diet, yeah, just eating the right food.
Hindi ya kambi ino atumia matanyihiri 170 ni maramukirire motungata ngurani ona kuhanora uguo muingi ukihinyiririo ati atumia na airitu aya ni marabatara kunyitirirwo kimeciria niguo kumateithiriria kwigitira kumana na maundu ngurani maria mangicungiriria giku hindi ya mutumia kuheo mwana.
The challenge they get is lack of support and nobody being there to actually tell them what are the necessary steps they can take when they realize that they are suffering from a mental issue.
Atumia aria maragunikire hindi ya kambi ino ni matariirie kiguni kinene kia motungata ngurani maria maramukirire undu uria ukumateithia thiini wa thabari yao mundu angikaheo mwana.
At least they have been there to work with us, they have been there to hold our hands, they have been there to encourage us and to give us the things that you're supposed to do and the things that you're supposed to avoid.
Helping me psychologically to deal with a small baby. Haikuangi rahisi lakini wamenisaidia sana.
Hadini hakamemeti ve gitagogena wa wadino.